Once you know this, you can check divisibility in seconds. Rule for 1, divisible by 1. Every number divisible by 1 is start. Rule for 2, a number divisible by 2 if its last digit is even. What are even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Example, 256. Last digit is 6. Even number, so divisible by 2. Rule for number 3, divisible by 3. Add the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. Example, 321. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so 321 is divisible by 3. Rule for 4. Full 4. Focus ka lang sa last 2 digits. If those 2 digits form a number divisible by 4, the whole number is divisible by 4. Example, 312. Last 2 digits, 12. 12 is divisible by 4. So, 312 is divisible by 4. Next, rule for 5. If it ends 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. Example, 495. Ends in 5, divisible by 5. Next, rule for 6. Divisible by 6 kung yan ay divisible ng 2 at 3 combination. Example, 222. Sa rule ng 2, nag-e-end ng even numbers, 2. Check. Sa rule ng number 3, ipag-add mo lang 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Yung sum nila, 6 divisible by 3, check. Pasok siya sa divisible by 6. Kasi pumasa siya sa divisibility rule ng 2 at 3. Rule for 7. Double subtract. Take the last digit, double it, and subtract it from the rest of the numbers. Example, 133. Last digit, 3. Double it, 6. At yung 6 na yon, isubtract mo sa natitirang numbers, 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Yung answer na 7, divisible by 7? Yes. Since 7 is divisible by 7, the original number 133 is divisible by 7. Next, rule for 8. Look at the last 3 digits. If that digits are divisible by 8, the entire number is divisible by 8. Example, 1,000. 1,000 is divisible by 8. Rule for 9. Divisible by 9, add mo lang. Add the digits. If the digit sum is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. Example, 297. 2 plus 9 plus 7, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So, 297 is divisible by 9. And then rule for 10, if the number ends in 0, it's divisible by 10. Example, 340, it ends 0. 340 is divisible by 10.